Alright, before I begin, I want to give a quick shout out to a few YouTube channels. Lambda115, Match Numbers, William Sullivan, Maybe It's Mandela'd, Gematria Effect News, and Gematrinator85, who designed the Gematria calculator, Gematrinator. Now, this channel, Maybe It's Mandela'd, does a lot of Mandela effect videos, but she also deals with Gematria, especially the number 666. And it's her channel where I learned how to sign the word fox using American Sign Language. Fox. Sign by making a circle with your thumb and index finger, leaving the other fingers outstretched. People see that and they say it looks like the 666 hand sign. And the word fox, F-O-X, has a gematria value of 666. So we get to talk a little bit about Disney in this video, but for now I just want to say that people look at the signature logo and say that 666 is encoded. And it's worth pointing out that Disney acquired 21st Century Fox. F-O-X, Fox. I learned from Zachary K. Hubbard, who used to go by the name Free to Find Truth, that the first 144 digits after the decimal point in pi sum to 666. We'll talk about the number 6 a little bit later, but 6 days is equal to 144 hours. And 144 is a big time number. It's 1440 minutes per day. Drop the 0, 144. The word phi, P-H-I, has a gematria value of 144 in a cipher called Fibonacci. It's based on the Fibonacci sequence, very much related to phi. So I'm going to show some more gematria examples. I'm not going to show the cipher breakdowns every time. You can go to the website gematrinator.com to see all these breakdowns. Anyway, pi. It's a number that goes on forever. 3.14, yada, yada, yada. But 3.14 is what everybody knows about. Check this out. 3.14 divided by 2.18 equals 1.44. Some special numbers there. I've talked about 218 quite a bit. I'm going to show this image a few times. This clock, 1:44 p.m., and its reflection. But first, look at the Greek alphabet, the modern Greek alphabet. Pi is a Greek letter. It's the 16th letter of the modern Greek alphabet. Now we'll look at the 16th Fibonacci number. It's 987. And I think it was Match Numbers, if not Sriracha. Somebody back in the day made a video about some of these things. They pointed out that 987 divided by pi equals 3.14 yada yada yada, a number that looks a lot like pi. And we can get this 987 number if we take the digits of pi, including the big 3 before the decimal point. The first 218 digits of pi sum to 987. Again, that's the 16th Fibonacci number. Pi is the 16th letter of the modern Greek alphabet. And again, that was by adding the first 218 digits of pi, including the number before the decimal point. So now we do pi, or 3.14 divided by 2.18. That equals 1.44. Again, the word phi has a gematria value of 144. The time number, 144, very important, 1:44 p.m. The amount of time left in the day is significant. We'll talk about it. But now look at phi, the letter, the Greek letter. It's the 21st letter of the modern Greek alphabet. 21 is the 8th Fibonacci number, so we'd have 2, 1, 8. And just to give another shout out, the name of this channel is named after a Greek letter, so don't get confused. We're talking about phi and pi, which are Greek letters. Shout out to Lambda. Lambda and I are very much on the same wavelength. He points out 21 is the 8th Fibonacci. 8 is the 6th Fibonacci, 8-6. August 6th is the 218th day of the year. 8 and 6 have many things in common. The 8th triangular number is the same as 6 squared. Remember, the 8th Fibonacci is 21. 21 is the 6th triangular number. And remember, I said that phi is the 21st letter of the modern Greek alphabet. And 21 is the 6th triangular number. How fitting is it that 21st Century Fox was bought up by Disney? Everybody points out the Disney logo, the signature logo, and the hidden sixes. Not a lot of people talk about the hidden phi symbol. There's uppercase and lowercase phi, little phi. The Y in Disney looks a lot like little phi. Again, the word phi has a gematria value of 144, which is in the Fibonacci cipher, and phi is very much related with Fibonacci. And once again, the first 144 digits after the decimal point of pi sum to 666. I think that's a big time number as well. In the Bible, the infamous verse about 666 is immediately followed by a verse about the 144,000. And you think about the increments of time in a day, 60 seconds per minute, 60 minutes per hour, 24 hours per day. They all break down to 6. Numerology. 60, 6 plus 0. 60, 6 plus 0. 24, 2 plus 4. And then you just add these together, 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 24 hours, 60 plus 60 plus 24. 144. And I gotta get another shout out to Lambda. He pointed this out a few times. Adding the first 200 digits of phi after the decimal point, not including the 1 before the decimal point. The first 218 digits after the decimal point of phi equals 1016. Interesting pairing, and I've noticed this in a bunch of examples, but here's a small one. 1016, October 16th, is when the Walt Disney Company was founded. In part, they're known for their dog, Pluto. And we talk about Pluto a lot on this channel and other channels. Pluto Day. Pluto was discovered, officially, on February 18th, the same year that the Disney dog Pluto, was introduced to the public. February 18th is 218. Again, the first 218 digits of phi sum to 1016. And the time on the clock that leaves 10 hours, 16 minutes remaining till the end of the day is 1:44 p.m. And we can get that 1.44 by doing this. Pi, or 3.14, divided by 2.18 equals 1.44.